So, you're sick and tired of seeing all your first semester classes still on your Canvas dashboard. Well, today you're going to learn a quick and easy way to get rid of them. Here we go. First, please notice, I'm in Card View. That's important because Card View is the one that shows you all of your current classes. To get rid of classes you don't want, like let's say I don't want to be first semester 4th hour math anymore, I'm going to click on Courses right over here in the black bar. I'm going to view all my courses. I'm going to star only the courses I want. I do not want first semester anymore, so I'm not going to star that, but I do want this second semester, and this second semester class. Those are the ones I want because I don't want any first semesters. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now you'll see if I go back to dashboard, I only have my second semester classes. Hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to your first hour teacher and they can show you how as well. Thanks, Atherton Wolverines. Have a great day.